Hi, good morning everyone. Let's get started with our next topic, which is on the migration keys, the developer keys, and registration of objects. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll connect to the SAP marketplace. Okay, service.sap.com. We'll connect to the marketplace, and once we are connected to the marketplace, okay, so let's connect to the marketplace first. Okay, in the marketplace here you can see something called keys and requests. Okay, in keys and request, once you click on keys and request, okay, here you can see the tab called SSCR keys. Okay, this particular, if you click on this, okay, let me click on this tab SSCR. Okay, here you can see different registrations which can be done here. So first thing is you can register a developer. You can see which other developers are registered by you. You can register an object. Any of the SAP objects can be registered here, and you can see my company's registration. So register a developer. So if I click on register a developer, I just need to specify the ID that I want to register, and I need to select the installation number. Okay, so the next thing is I need to register an object. Okay, so here you can specify the name that you want to register, what is the basis release for that particular object, what is the program ID, table name, and object name. Okay, so this is, it will give you a key, so that key will tell that you want to modify this particular object. Okay, so that is on the registration of object, registration of developer. Next thing is, let's go to the tab called migration key. Okay, so in the migration key, let's go to the migration key. Okay, here you can see this is the migration key. Click on the migration key. Okay, when you click on the migration key, here it's showing request migration key. Okay, you can request for a migration key. This is basically when you want to perform an OSDB migration. Okay, this is just alerting that you are performing this migration. You can select your instance number for which you want a key, and here you can specify the source system, the release, base release. This is basically the source system information, the operating system, the database, the hostname, and target what you want to change it to. So once you click submit, it will give you the information about the migration key. Okay, so that is about the migration key. Okay, next thing is I want to cover is about the secure store migration. That is, this is the, you can request a key for the secure store, especially when you are doing an OSDB migration. You have to migrate your secure store as well. Okay, you can follow this note, plus you can request the key from this particular tab. Just click on this and it will take you. You can select your installation number, SID ID for the source and for the destination. That is the old and the new. Okay, if you go to the note that was mentioned here, so this is the SAP note that is being referenced. So let's go to the SAP note. Okay, so let's go to the marketplace, search for this note. Okay, to search a note you can come under help and support. Okay, under help and support, just type the note number here. So these notes are basically, SAP keeps releasing these notes whenever there is any changes, or to consolidate or to publish something to the SAP user community. Okay, so this shows that what is the process to migrate the secure store, why we are migrating the secure store, and we can run a report sec store cleanup as well to execute this, or sec store to is the transaction to make this change. Okay, so just go through this is basically how you can request and modify your secure store after the OSDB migration. Okay, so that's all. That's what I wanted to cover in this particular training video. Thanks for joining and have a nice day. Bye bye.